small. That's a brittle star.
A brittle star. And those other two?
I'm gonna ask the girls to call it. Heidi! I need you.
It's all right.
No. I think one of these has the pattern. No, this one doesn't.
Beautiful.
And I'm
Fantastic.
pretty sure this is a tulip.
Can you pull the brittle star up?
I'll let Heidi do it.
They're sensitive? That's okay. You don't have to.
No, they love it.
Where did you catch the brittle star?
Can you hold it up for him on your hand and he wants
That's
to take a
fantastic.
picture?
Wow.
Tell me what it is.
It's a brittle star.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. I've never seen
Do you
that
want to
before.
show him some coquinas?
Oh, that's good.
See live coquinas? Here she is. She'll tell you.
Y'all got it all going on. What a beautiful day.
The coquinas are the little tiny ones, and